Hey, zombie, since when did you get a vending machine?
My name is not Zombie. My name is Mario. I changed it.
Oh, I thought you were super ducky.
I just changed my name to Mario, so
okay.
yeah. Welcome to my vending machine.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Like,
Thanks.
I mean, like, why don't you have like more spaces than enough?
I don't know. It took me hard to work.
Dude, you weak.
Nobody wants to buy anything from me.
It's okay, man. It's okay. I'll still buy something. I gotta go get my money.
You what?
Yeah, I gotta go get my money. I'll be right back. Okay, I got my money right here.
How much is that?
I don't know, like 70 cents. 50 cents.
50 cents. Alright, 50 cents.
Who's coming? Oh wait, I'm check. Oh hey, Greninja. Greninja. I don't think I have that much money to buy you something. Greninja. Okay, Greninja, I'll buy you something. I'm sorry. Hey, what's up, Freddy? Oh no. You gotta share with me, Greninja. Oh, man, I don't want to share. Man, I just want to wait for my friends. Shut up, man. Let me talk to my friends for like 20 seconds, man. God. Yeah, so, you gotta share with this boy. Who else is coming, by the way? Oh, wow. Oh, hey, guys. Freddy, you guys share with us. Why do I have to share with you guys? Do you guys have money?
Oh, freak. Oh, no.
Oh, hey, dude. You're a good zombie. Not like a good zombies. You don't look like a zombies. Yeah, come on, let's go.
Fix my rental roof.
Come on, man. You gotta share all that money with us. Come on.
Come on, Doc.
Fine. Oh, man. I just really want this Pokemon. There's baked Cheetos.
That's a versus.
All right, guys. Let me pay first. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay.
The candy costs 1 penny. The Pokemon cards cost 25 cents, and the Cheetos cost all your money.
What?
$1. $1.
What the flip?
It costs $1.
Man. Fine. Here you go.
You need 10 more cents for it.
Here. For the candy.
All right.
Candy.
All right. I'm gonna go get the candy.
I need you gotta give me 9 cents back. 24 cents.
Here.
Oh, thanks, man.
Here's
Okay.
the challenge.
I'm gonna share a pea shooter. Pea shooter wanted this. Here you go, pea shooter. Me and you can share. Thanks, man. Let's eat up. Let's wait for them to. Greninja. Yeah, Greninja. I know. I'm gonna buy you something. Greninja. Fine. I'll buy you something. God. Dun. 1 day later. Why don't the others shut up, man? They can shut the buy something. I know we're already done with that candy. Okay, wake up!
Really wake me up. It took me one whole day to go pick a freaking chips. Oh.
That's for Greninja.
Fancy fusses? Alright.
This is like $1. This is $1. Oh, like a whole dollar.
Alright.
Greninja, what do you want? Greninja!
There we go.
Oh, Greninja! Whoa, Greninja! Greninja!
The power of ducks!
Greninja. Okay, Greninja, now go get. No, you're being bad. Greninja, you're not getting your Pokemons.
I'm gonna wake up my duck.
Bro.
Wake up! Quack, 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 quack.
Greninja looks Greninja looks
Quack, quack, quack,
he's
quack. Be quiet. Go to sleep now.
those 2 quarters
Quack,
for
quack,
that
quack.
chip. For
Be
those-
quiet, duck. My duck is awake, so he makes a lot of noise.
Okay, I will
Quack,
let.
quack, 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 quack.
Here, I'll give him sleeping pills. Come on, let me. I want to buy the chips. Let me buy the chips.
I won't. I won't have anything else.
Oh wait, I didn't have. Pretend. 1 day later. 1 eternity later. 1 million years later. God, oh, that would be sick. Too many candy.
We're all super dead by now, so.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, slap the subscribe button, like the bell. I mean, slam that bell or subscribe. And tell in the comments what video do you guys want to make us next.
Quack, quack, quack.
Well, tomorrow we have more plushies. So they can come hang out with you guys. So they can have fun. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye, dudes.
Bye.
Greninja, Greninja, back, Greninja, Greninja. Greninja. Okay, we got wrapped up this video already. Super Ducky, you're probably gonna want to get out of here. Greninja! Greninja! Yeah, I hope you guys slap that bell. I hope you guys subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. Oh, and a shout out for Reaggy Gaming. So you guys go head to his channel, search it up, and go head to his channel.
And subscribe to him.
No? So, yeah, subscribe to him. He's been a really good friend. And so, okay, goodbye. See you later. Bye.